guys, welcome back to the video here. It is your boy Nurse King, and we should be at a TTR 125 here. This was made in 2022. Your door is brand new. So as you see, it's already on the here. Let's set my phone right here. I'm gonna go share the app real quick. You know what I read. Bro, are you kidding? Here we go, one last try. Yo, that sounds crazy. Oh, that is insane. Yo, this is the place. Yo, I'm going to try to get a GoPro, strap it onto my helmet. We're gonna go ride, and I'm gonna try to get a GoPro.